Thank you for joining me. Tag Anne's Art Desk to share your work. Here's the method. You can just draw on your fingertip. Anything really. Pen, colored pen, would work. Make a mark. Just like with the scribble bees, you just have to think about, what could this be? You can do it with a pencil. This one looks a lot like a raptor to me, sitting on a wire. Little beady eye. Maybe has a crest. Sharp claws. Seems good. I don't know why to me they're all birds, but somehow they are. I also just like birds. There's a ploofy little owl. Ploof, ploof. Stubby tail. What else could we make besides birds? This one. This is two kitties. They're old friends. A couple other ways to make smudge creatures. One is to just make a little tiny scribble, a little bit like the scribble bees, but much more just like a little blot. You can do it with Sharpies or just with markers. Or with colored pencils. And then, let's see. How about this little guy? Definitely a hedge piggy. How about a real pig, a flower with a butterfly, and echidna? A goose with some goslings. Here's another way to do this. I love doing it this way. And that's just to make your smudge out of actual paint. It's also a fun way to get to know watercolor paints pretty well, just to get used to what they do. I've chosen a slightly thicker paper to do this than the plain old printer paper. Notice I'm doing a little wash where I let the two colors mix on the paper. So the difficulty here is you have to let that dry. Thank you for joining my art desk. These videos are sponsored by the Palo Alto Art Center Foundation.